This is our first look at Go Rhino's Sport Bar 2.0. Go Rhino's Sport Bar 2.0 mounts behind the cab and therefore is more quiet than some of the windshield mounted kits out there, but also gives us more options for lighting as a result of that as well. Now this mounts to your vehicle's side bed rails, and it mounts very easily, but also gives us full access to our bed so you can use your truck like a truck. It also allows us to work with most roll-up, retractable, and some folding bed covers, as well as chest-style toolboxes. Now, this also comes in two different finishes. So you see the black powder coat finish here. They also make available a polished stainless steel tube as well if you prefer that look. These side panels are also removable, so if you prefer the look without the side panels, you can do that. You can also take them out and paint them for a completely custom look. Go Rhino makes this available in a full-size version, which is what you see here, but also mid-size versions to fit those Colorados, Canyons, Tacomas, and more. The Sport Bar 2.0 comes in a fixed position, which is what you see in the video, but also a power actuated version as well, which allows your mounted lights to hide away to give you more space in those tight clearance areas.